Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this CalmDo automatic vacuum sealer. So if you are interested in this product, then continue watching. I went ahead and removed everything out of the box, and in the box was this cute thank you card, which I love when companies include thank you cards in their box. And you have another card. If you share your experience with your order ID, you can receive one of these gifts, either another vacuum sealer roll or a $20 gift card. This is really nice also, so take advantage of that. And of course, it comes with the user manual book, which tells you everything you need to know about this product. Okay, so this is the bag that came in mine, and it also comes with this little suction. If you are sealing cans, you can use this. On the machine itself, it have a side where you can plug the external suction so you can seal your cans. I'm not going to seal any can today because I don't really have anything to seal as far as can, but I am going to seal a bag of goat meat that I have cut up, and I did some chicken with it just to test out the machine before I come and give my review. And of course, this is the cord, okay? And this is the machine itself. Let me bring it closer. As you can see, you can lift this part over here. This is where if you need to cut the paper, you slide the paper under, and then you slide this. It acts like as a scissor or knife, but I'll show you guys how it works so you guys can see. And I told you the external button, and they have like a tray back here, which I tried to struggle, I couldn't take it out. And they have the plug cord and the on and off button, and the heating element is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, and we can start sealing some things and see how it works. So first thing we are going to be doing is cut some of that bag so we can have the bag sealed before we put our meat or anything that you're trying to seal. So what I'm going to do is open this and take the amount of paper that I need, slide it over. I think this much will do it, and then close this up. Okay, of course it's plugged in, and then you want to grab this, slide it over, and that should cut the amount that you need. So you don't really need any scissor or knife or anything. So let me go over this before I show you how to seal it. So if you are freezing dry foods, you would push the dry, which it's already green. If it's wet, like chicken, things that have moisture, you will push it again. It's gonna turn red. That's for the wet. And it have an external for the cans, like I said, and they have the seal, and they have normal to soft. But today we are going to be sealing first. Okay, so I'm going to take that paper, and I am going to stick it under, and it's going to suck it in. Okay, so now it's sealing it. It's doing the job itself. I don't have to do anything. And once it's done, it's going to just take it out, so I don't have to pull the bag or anything. Okay, so I want to say a big thank you to CalmDo. I love working with this company. They are so easy to work with. So I always appreciate when you guys send me things to do reviews. I always love doing these little reviews for you guys. So as you can see, it is sealed. I'm going to open this side so you guys can see. Absolutely nothing can get through that. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my meat so I can seal my meat, and I have some chicken that I already did. I'll come and show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, I was going to freeze some goats. I have some curry goat that I had seasoned, but I had seasoned too much, so I'm going to go ahead and seal it. So I already placed it in the bag. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of pushing the sealing, I'm going to push normal, and this is dry This is wet actually. Hold on. So now I am going to take that bag and put it under and let it do its thing. It's going to suck all the air. You can see it's doing that already. You guys see that action happening? It will say on this, the green is for dry, the red is for wet. I'm not sure if I told you guys that backwards or not, but you can see the action. And I am going to grab you guys this chicken. This is the chicken that I did. I did this a couple days ago and there's no freezer burn mark on there at all. Definitely better than using those store-bought freezer bags. Oh my goodness, you see that? No air will get in that whatsoever. Okay? So if you are doing like nuts or something, you could use that as well just to seal them. Of course, with the nuts, you are going to push the dry because it is dry. There's no moisture that will come out of it. You can seal your fruits. If you have extra fruits or something, you can do that as well. Okay. As you guys know, I always come through with some coupon code for you guys. So down in the description box, I'm going to list 2 coupons. One is $20 off, I believe. For that one, when you go on Amazon, make sure you check that little box where it says coupon. Check that box and then add the other coupon to your order, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I cook a lot of food, and sometimes when we buy like a whole chicken, or if chickens or any meat are on sale, you guys can grab more than you need and freeze it. You don't have to worry about it not being fresh because it will always stay fresh, okay? So like I said, check the description box where I will list everything you need to make your order. And also don't forget to check me out on my social media platforms. I will leave all links down in the description box for you guys. So make sure you grab one. If you grab one, if you like it, let me know how you feel about it. If you have one, comment below, let me know if you like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Continue to stay safe. Have a good day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.